Assessment. What comes to your mind when you hear that word? As instructors, we realize the importance of assessment when it comes to student learning and success. But do we really take the time, though, to make sure that we are assessing what we want students to know in a way that is relevant and transparent in their lives? The Transparent and Relevant Assessment Workshop Series in the Faculty Commons dives into that issue. We look at a variety of creative and relevant strategies to assess student learning beyond the traditional papers and tests. Sessions include how people learn, how do we provide meaningful feedback for our students, how do we write assignments in a clear or transparent way for our students, how do we structure peer review and use peer review and teams in our classes, among others. Join us for an interactive series of workshops where you can earn 20 professional development hours as well as a $500 stipend if you complete the workshop series. Not only will you learn new assessment strategies, but you also get to create a community with other colleagues on campus. This workshop series is facilitated by me, Jen Anderson, and we have some really great guest speakers as well. I'm a tenured faculty member here at Bellevue College in the Communication Studies Department and the Faculty Development Lead in the Faculty Commons. You can reach me via email, linked here, or stop by and see me in the Faculty Commons. I look forward to working with you.